In the name of God, the Almighty, the Merciful. What is in the heavens and what is in the earth gives glory to God, the King, the Holy, the exalted in might, the wise. He it is that raised up among the unschooled a messenger from among them, reciting to them his proofs, and increasing them in purity, and teaching them the writ and wisdom, though they were before in manifest error, and others of them who have not yet joined them. And he is the exalted in might, the wise. That is the bounty of God. He gives it to whom he wills, and God is possessor of tremendous bounty. The likeness of those given to bear the Torah then have borne it not, is as the likeness of a donkey bearing books. Evil is the example of the people who deny the proofs of God, and God guides not the wrongdoing people. Say thou, O you who hold to Judaism, if you claim that you are the allies of God to the exclusion of other men, then wish for death, if you be truthful. But never will they wish for it, because of what their hands have sent ahead, and God knows the wrongdoers. Say thou, the death from which you flee, it will meet you. Then will you be sent back to the knower of the unseen and the seen, and he will tell you what you did. O you who heed warning, when the call is heard for the duty of the day of assembly, then hasten to the remembrance of God, and leave commerce. That is better for you, if you but knew. And when the duty is concluded, disperse in the land, and seek of the bounty of God, and remember God much, that you might be successful. But when they see trade or diversion, they disband towards it, and leave thee standing. Say thou, that which is with God is better than diversion or trade, and God is the best of providers.